Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you different ways that I wear my wig. There are many ways you can wear your wig, guys. You don't have to have one boring style all the time. So the first way I wear my wig is just to use a claw clip to just clip up the back part, and that's just a nice little style when you don't want all your hair to be just hanging down on your neck. You can do this beautiful style and you're still looking good. The next style that I am going to show you is the one that like I take half of the hair off the top part and I catch up that part and let down the back part of the hair. And I'm just going to put in that part that's sticking out right there. And that's also another one, another beautiful hairstyle that you can wear with your wig. That's amazing that you will like, sis. All right, this is another style you could wear. This one I use a rubber band to just catch up the hair, and then the part that's hanging out of the rubber band there, I just roll up that section and push it on there to make a big high, what you're looking like a big puff at the top, and I just place the claw clip at the back of the hair. Yes, and here I'm going in with my scarf, and this, guys, is an amazing little style, and you can use different color scarf as to what you like. Here you can mix it up, the color scarf. You could wear this hairstyle with many